Today we are going to start next topic in management, nature of management. Some author regard management as a science because there are well tested and experimental principle of management. Some author describe management as an art because more practice is required in management, and some author considered management is going toward the path of profession. To conclude whether management is science, art, or profession, we must understand the feature and meaning of science, art, and profession and compare them with the management meaning and profession. For that, first we are going to start management as a science, and in this we are trying to tally or match relation between the nature of science and nature of management. Science can be defined as a systematic and organized body of knowledge based on logically observe, finding, fact and event. Science comprises the exact principle which can be verified, and it can establish case and cause and effect relation. Now we are going to match with the science feature. First science feature is systematic body of knowledge. In science, organized and systematic study material is available which is used to acquire to knowledge of science. Like science, in management also there is available of systematic and organized study material. So first feature of science is present in management. So on the basis of this feature we can say science is like a management, or management is a science. Next, scientific principles are derived on the basis of logical and scientific observation. The scientific principles are scientists perform logical observation before derived any principle or theory. They are very objective while doing the observation, but when managers are observing, they are to observe human being, and observation of human being cannot be pretty logical and objective. So this feature of science is not present in management. So on the basis of this feature we cannot say management as a science. Next, principles are based on repeated experiment. Before developing scientific principle, scientists test these principles under different condition and place. Similar, manager also test the principle of managerial principle or experience these managerial principles under different condition in different organization. So this feature of science is present in management. So on the basis of this feature we can say management is a science. Next, universal validity. Scientific principles have universal application and validity. Management principles are not exact like scientific principle, so their application and use is not universal. They have to be modified according to the given situation. So this feature of science is not present in management. So on the basis of this feature, we cannot say management as a science. After the matching of these four principles, we are just find two principles of management is present in science, or two principles of science is present in management, and two principles of science is not present in management. So we cannot say management as pure science, but on the basis of two principles, we call it as a inexact science or social science. Okay, again I am repeating this all. Management as a science. For proving this, we are going to match with the four science feature with the management. First, systematic body of knowledge. Second, scientific principle as derived on a basis of logical and scientific observation. Third, principles are based on repeated experiment. Fourth, universal validity. Okay, two, first, systematic body of knowledge and principles are based on a repeated experiment. These two match with the management, but other two will not match with the management. So we can say management is as a inexact science or social science. Okay, clear? Thank you.